ज्वाइन किया अभी नहीं कर रहा। हाँ मैडम आपको ज्वाइन करो, बस आपकी वेट कर रहे हैं। रामवीर सर,
यस सर।
रामवीर सर जो चीफ
Yes, sir.
गेस्ट मैडम है उन्होंने रतनदीप नाम से ज्वाइन किया हुआ है, तो उन्हें भी
Okay.
प्रेजेंटर बना दीजिए।
Just a minute, just a minute.
रतनदीप नाम से उन्होंने ज्वाइन किया हुआ है, फिर स्टार्ट करा दीजिए।
I think the name is Ratandeep Srivastav.
हाँ हाँ यही होगा सर, कि वो रतनदीप बता रही तो यही होगा मैम का। मैम आई एम ऑडिबल?
Yes, yes, sir. You are
Yes,
audible.
sir.
नहीं मैं मैडम से पूछ रहा हूँ, जो चीफ गेस्ट, जो गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर मैडम है।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
ठीक है, सो रामवीर सर यू कैन स्टार्ट नाउ।
Okay.
Rifa,
A
maybe
very good
start.
afternoon to all of you. A very good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of Greater Noida Institute of Technology from Department of IT, I welcome Honorable Dean R&D Dr. Anuranjan Mishra sir, HOD Dr. Ramveer sir, guest of honor Miss Manjeet Kaur Ratan, speaker Mr. Ajay Sharma, and all my dear students. As all you know that this webinar is organized by GNIOT Institute of Innovation Council in association with CSI Computer Society of India, Ghaziabad chapter, and GNIOT Business Incubation Center. The topic of this webinar is innovation in artificial intelligence and machine learning. First of all, I invite Dr. Ramveer sir to welcome all dignitaries. Hello,
Thank
sir.
you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I am audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. Thank you very much. First of all, I welcome the guest of honor, Miss Manjeet Kaur Ratan, ma'am, and the today's speaker, Mr. Ajay Sharma. Respected Dean R&D Dr. Anuranjan Mishra, my colleagues and my dear students and distinguished participants. I am pleased to welcome you to the webinar on innovation in AI and machine learning. Understand the importance of science, technology, and innovation in our day-to-day life and current era of society and industries also. The application of artificial intelligence and machine learning are increasing rapidly to serve the society. I believe that by participating in this webinar, we are in the right place and the right time. Together, let's us accelerate the exchange of ideas and scaling up the good practices. I'm confident that you will find new ideas in the field of AI and also in the machine learning through the insight vision of our speaker. I wish you all a very successful webinar. Thank you very much.
Now I invite Ms. Manjeet Kaur ma'am. Please speak few words to all of us. Ms. Manjeet ma'am.
Sorry for interrupting, ma'am. Before starting
Yes, sir.
before starting the address of Manjeet ma'am, I would like to introduce our guest of honor today's for the today's event. Ms. Manjeet Kaur Ratan has over 18 years of experience in academia and IT industries. After serving in academia in engineering and management colleges, she is now working with a US-based IT company as a program manager. Manjeet has experience in management consultation, team building, professional development, strategic implementation, and company collaboration. Manjeet ma'am is also a life member of Computer Society of India, and presently she is a honorary treasurer of CSI Ghaziabad chapter. Now I would like Manjeet ma'am. Manjeet ma'am.
Sir, I think there is network problem. Manjeet ma'am not visible in the list.
Okay, not an issue. You just continue with the speaker, Mr. Ajay Sharma.
Actually, I could see Ratandeep was waiting in the lobby, so you can allow. I think now you allowed, so she can now speak.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
Okay, Manjeet ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
We are,
say
we
few
are,
words.
we are waiting
Okay.
for
Oh,
one.
okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm from CSI. Computer Society of India is the oldest body of computer professional in India, established way back in 1965. Today, it is over 1 lakh member across India. Our region, Ghaziabad, Noida, Greater Noida, plans several activities for its member, and the student community activities for its member. And the student committee, Professor Mishra is our senior member and our chairman this year. And my dear students, I would like to say that this webinar will learn the strategic tricks to enhance your knowledge. As today topic AI and ML, we already since many years, but we use lot in the future, and we will integrate in our common system and daily life and create more job opportunity. So you are learn much more in this webinar. I extend my best wishes to all of you, and be a healthy and a good pandemic of this year. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, I introduce Mr. Ajay Sharma, sir. He is working as Delivery Operations Manager, IBM India Private Limited, Noida. He had Bachelor and Master in Computer Science and submitted PhD in Computer Science. He had about 17 years of experience in creation and deployment of IT solutions, systems, IT infrastructure for diverse organizations like Patni Computer Science, NIIT Technologies, IBM India Private Limited. He is working on various projects on artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, cloud computing, and deep learning. Now I handed this session to Mr. Ajay Sharma, sir.
Thank you very much for my introduction, and I would like to thank Dr. Ananjan Mishra, as he has given me this opportunity to speak here, as well as all the dignitaries who are available here in this meeting. So let me share my screen. So I hope all can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much
Yes,
for the
it is visible.
confirmation. All right, so good afternoon everyone once again, and as you all know that the topic for today is artificial intelligence and machine learning, and this is a nowadays the hot cake in IT. Yeah, anyone wants to tell anything? Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So earlier I was audible, whatever I was speaking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are
No?
totally
Yes, you are
audible.
audible.
Okay, so I told, let me repeat once again if you people did not hear. So thank you very much, first of all, to Dr. Ananjan Mishra, who gave me this opportunity. And I would like to thank all the dignitaries available in this meeting, as well as thank you very much all the students who are giving the time to hear me here, because time is very precious for everyone. So as you all know, today's topic is artificial intelligence and machine learning. And this is a hot topic nowadays everywhere, especially if we'll talk about in IT, the information technology. In IT era nowadays, everything is going to move in automation. So nowadays, we all want to do everything by the automation. So everything is going to convert, going to implement in the automation. So that is what is the nowadays the top skill which is in demand in IT sector. As you all students are of IT, so you all would be aware that nowadays there are so many vacancies, there are so many demands in artificial intelligence, AI and ML, machine learning. So that is what is our topic today. So team, I would request to all, if you would have any question, you can note down, you can park all the questions, and at the end of the session, we will try to cover all those questions if the time will permit us. And if time will not permit, definitely you can take my contact details, and after this call also we will try to discuss and we'll try to answer all of your questions. And if I won't be able to answer, then definitely I'll ask you the time and can come back to you to help you to get the answer of your questions. All right. So then let's move the topic about this introduction. So as I already introduced about the AI, the artificial intelligence. So what all things we are going to cover here? We are going to cover that what is AI. So introduction about the AI, then introduction to AI levels, that what are the levels we have, types of artificial intelligence. Then we will cover AI versus machine learning versus deep learning. And then we will cover where is AI used, and then we will cover AI use cases, why is AI booming now, and AI trend in 2020. So we will cover all these topics related to AI. So the artificial intelligence, which is transforming the nature of work, learning, and the learning to work. So we all know, as I already mentioned, that we are going on automation. So we are transforming our nature of work. So whatever we were doing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago, now that has been transformed already. Now the nature of work has been changed. Whatever the way we were using earlier, now that has been changed. And the best example of that is, earlier we were not having the smartphones. We had the phone, we had the ordinary phones at our homes, and that was also very rare if we'll talk about 20, 30 years ago. And then we can move to the phones, ordinary phones, and now we move to the smartphones. So we have a lot of features in our smartphones nowadays. And we have a lot of artificial intelligence applications in those smartphones. We can just ask our question by voice and we can get the answer through the Google or through the Alexa or these type of apps like Siri we do have in iPhones. So they are listening us, we are asking them the questions and they are giving us the answer. So they don't have mind, but still they are intelligent. They are understanding us and they are giving the answer according to our requirement, right? So everything is getting transformed. The nature of work is getting transformed and we are learning to work. So here we will cover three things in artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So artificial intelligence, AI, is a popular branch of computer science that concern with building intelligent, smart machines capable of performing intelligent tasks. With rapid advancements in deep learning and machine learning, the tech industry is transforming radically. So this is the definition we can tell about the artificial intelligence in documents, and rest I try to tell you about the artificial intelligence. So I hope all of you would have now a little bit understanding the theoretically as well as the practically, whatever the examples I have given. Then let's move to the introduction to AI levels. So types of artificial intelligence: artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and then artificial super intelligence. These are the types of artificial intelligence. Then let's talk about types of artificial intelligence. So we can have a deep learning, machine learning, and artificial intelligence here. We'll discuss about all these in details in next few slides. So if you are having any question, can park till then so we can cover all those questions. So in artificial intelligence, this is started in fact in 1950. This is not a new thing, but now rapidly the work has been done, and since 2015 to 2017, whatever the work has been done so far, 30% of the work has been done in these 3 years, and the 65% has been done in recent 3 years, 2018 to 2020. So artificial intelligence is a popular branch of computer science, as I told, that concern with building intelligent smart machine capable of performing intelligent tasks. With rapid advancement, as I mentioned, in deep learning and machine learning, tech industry is transforming radically. Okay. So machine learning, what is machine learning? So machine learning is a type of AI, the artificial intelligence, that enables machine to learn from data and deliver predictive model. See, if we'll talk about the machine learning, so machine learning basically enables machine to understand human understanding or human instructions and can answer and can react according to our expectation. So for that, to enable the machines as a human being, this machine learning came in picture. So machine learning is a type of AI that enables machines to learn from data and deliver predictive model. So everything comes from the data, because if we'll talk about Alexa, Google, Siri, if we give the command that Alexa, what is the time today? So we have already done the programming in Alexa or Google or in Siri, that if you will get the answer, if you will get the question like this, you have to check in your system the timing and you have to give answer like this. If we are asking Alexa, Siri or Google that play one music of this movie or this song, then Alexa, Siri or Google goes in the data, whatever has been already feed, or it goes to the internet, in live internet, and search that music or movie. And if you will hear the answer, it tells